me, sorry, I don't want to bang it to you. Hi everybody, hi, I'm Aunty M.
Wow, I really can't believe Google did all this. Who else wants to come? Nobody. Okay. I almost want to cry already. Wait, I cannot. My mascara is very expensive.
I wanted the Sambal.
Why do you ask them to represent your brand and not someone like me?
You know, you should join my sales team.
At NRF, I got so many people to try my Sambal. I really impressed myself. But you know, selling Sambal face-to-face is easy. But online, different game. There's 4S things: search, stream, scroll, shop. Ayo, sounds like you need a PhD to understand. Luckily, Vivek and Ori love my Sambal so much, they invited me to GML. But between us, I don't think they can handle the spice. They look soft like tofu. So today, I'm actually not just a guest. I got my own stall, my spin the wheel, even an onstage cameo. I'm practically Google royalty now. And they're even letting me interview one of their high-flying clients too. Let's go!
Ayo, this place is so cold. I think I can chill at durian.
Hello, Auntie. I heard you're here. Welcome to Google Marketing Live. Here's your badge.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
So later, right, we actually have a store for you. And on top of that, you're going to interview one of our brand stars from Ticket.com. How about I show you to your store right now?
Okay, let's go. Is that my name? Wow, there are jars and branding and all. So much love, huh? Reminds me of my local kopi stall, but VVIP version. I really can't believe Google did all this. I almost want to cry already. Wait, I cannot. My mascara is very expensive. Actually, when am I going to interview the brand star? This stall is nice and all, but it's not going to make me viral.
Google Marketing Live will start in 10 minutes. Please head to the Everest meeting room and...
I think that's my cue. Let me go now.
It's reached worldwide fame, and that's absolutely amazing. YouTube is igniting trends, it is powering social movements, it's giving a stage to voices that are overlooked. I'm going to let you hear from Ticket on how they leveraged YouTube creators and partnership ads to drive some pretty fantastic results. Thank you.
Hi, hello, excuse me, sorry, I don't want to bang it to you. Oh, okay, wait, I'm going to stop. Hi everybody, hello. Hi, I'm Aunty M. Everybody here is so serious, you know. You all look like you read the Harvard Business Review. I was told that I should come here and speak to a certain somebody. Her name is Maria Risa. I think that's her. She's the SVP of brand marketing at Ticket.com. So let's invite her on stage.
Hi, Maria. I'm Aunty M. Thank you so much for having me. So I have a few questions to ask you because I am starting my new Sambal business and I want to learn how to market it, and they say that you're the best person to talk to. But before I ask the serious questions, I have a question to ask you. Do you think your marketing strategies are powerful enough to survive a Sambal spill on a white kabaya?
I'm not sure, Auntie, how to answer that, but let's give it a shot.
So first question, you know Ticket.com already has all these loyal customers and travel deals that everybody already loves. And then I see your new campaign. Wow, suddenly it's Gen Z YouTube creators, full glam. What happened? Did you guys suddenly get some kind of travel bug or travel fever?
Auntie, no fever, just forward strategy. So this campaign was about evolving our story and winning over millennials and Gen Zs. Because this segment is a huge untapped opportunity for us, and they are known for valuing what a brand stands for. And with YouTube, we had a platform to go beyond running ads and actually communicate our brand values. Because not only YouTube gives us reach that we want, it also gives us space for a deeper storytelling across long and short formats, and its ability to tap into ongoing trends and shape long-term culture. And moreover, YouTube has creators that Indonesians already love and trust.
So actually YouTube is a lot like Sambal. It's not just a topping, it spices up the whole dish.
Everything.
You know, speaking of creators, right, I know that it's not easy to pick the right creators. If you pick the wrong ones, then your whole brand chowta, burn. So how do you know how to pick the correct ones?
We strategically handpick 4 creators from non-travel verticals, a mix of big names and smaller rising stars, but all match our audience and travel energy.
Okay. Why these 4 creators?
David Orton, have engaged Gen Zs and millennials, and are aligned with our brand values.
So why don't you just pick, the biggest ones with the most fans?
Because connection beats clout, and we want authentic content that resonates with our target audience.
Why are you so sure that they won't mess up your brand message?
We gave them an initial brief, reviewed their ideas, met them, and checked the past content, all before approving the final content.
Wow, so it's like a vibe check. So why is this vibe check so important?
Because we want to collaborate with creators who not only have the creativity, but also the consistency and authenticity. So no drama.
Okay, this next question is very important. So why do you ask them to represent your brand and not someone like me? I also travel a lot, and you see my luggage, everything.
Auntie, keep going like this. Next campaign, we put you front and center.
Okay, very good, very good. Actually, I'm just joking.
So honestly, Auntie, if I can summarize for you, the key is to give them each a clear brief. In our case, was to get a sign up for a custom promo code, which gives their audience up to 600,000 rupiah of lights, but left room for the creators to tell the story their way. So it's like kinda their energy, their voice, but with our message.
Okay, I see. It's like you give them the ingredients, but you let them cook.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's like one of my favorite dishes, hot pot, cook yourself.
Okay.
Actually, how do you impress these Gen Zs and millennials? I feel like they scroll so fast nowadays on their phones. If I post a Sambal video, I just blink, they will be watching some cat dancing video instead already.
Well, I love watching silly pet videos.
Actually, me too.
Yeah. The reason why we chose YouTube Shorts, it's because this is where millennials and Gen Zs live. So they're not just doom scrolling. They're creating, engaging, commenting, and asking for advice from the creators. And these are creators who actually have built trust and influence. And a Kantar study showed that 60% of Gen Zs trust YouTube creators. That's actually higher than on other platforms.
Wow, so a lot of these people, they actually trust the creators more than their own family. But, once you pick your creators, you launch your shorts, right? What do? Do you just sit back and then let the algorithm do its own thing? Like, do you just hope the algorithm is in a good mood?
No need when you've got AI. We relied on AI to serve the most optimal creators video to audience with travel affinity at the time when they are most engaged. And the ads will show up from the creator's YouTube channel, which adds authenticity to our message. And at this stage, we were able to connect when they were already in discovery or decision mode.
Wow, okay, so this is not like boosting a post, it's actually marketing magic. I think next time, if I were to do a Sambal ad, I will have it show up only during lunchtime.
And maybe during breakfast too.
Maybe, right? I'm sure there are some people who eat Sambal at breakfast.
Yeah, like me and my family, actually. Eat sambal every morning.
Wow, you're a very powerful family. I like that. Okay, Maria, so you talk about all this so confidently, but I must know, is it just a very nice pitch or did you actually get results?
Oh, we've got the result, Auntie. The campaign hit 9.1 million unique users in just 11 days. Of that, 22% were Gen Zs and 41% millennials, exactly who we wanted. And our engagement rate was 13%, more than double the average. And also our 15-second view cost was 88% lower than on other platforms. So yes, this one delivered.
Thank you, Maria, for sharing so many things with me. It's like everything you talked about has heart, has heat, most importantly, has results.
Thank you, Auntie. Always happy to share. And now I'm craving sambal. Can I have one of these?
Of course, this is for you. This
Thank
is
you
for
so
you.
much.
I hope you like it.
Yeah.
You have to be honest with me if you like it. But if you don't like it, don't be honest. Okay.
This is good. This is good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm going to go and talk to more people.
Okay.
Thank you, everybody. Hello, everybody. All you striker menus, abang kakak, saya come to my stall. Come. You can spin this wheel and maybe even win something. Let's see what you get. 2 jars of sambal. Congratulations. Come. Please take it. Hi, hello. Are you interested in my sambal?
Yes, I am.
Very good. Actually, I want to ask you some questions because you look like you know a lot about marketing.
Of course, I'll try to.
So, do you think people nowadays, they still use Google search? Or do they just scroll the videos,
In general, people use search every single day. Globally, over 2 billion users use this product to look for information. Even the deepest kind of questions that they don't even ask to their friends or relatives, they come to Google. Things like their love life, finance, and health. That massive trusted connection is why Google search is the best intent-based marketing tool.
Okay. So you said something about marketers should sell their products with intent, right? What does that mean? So you think about the products in intent?
The intent in this case is referring to people who are really looking to buy Sambal, right? So with Google products such as Performance Max, you can bring people to your store or physically because they will be able to search for you on Google Maps so that they can buy Sambal at your store. Or if you have a website, we have products like AI Max that can surface your products and bring them to your website so they can buy your Sambal.
That's very useful, you know. Thank you, thank you. How about this? I'll let you spin the wheel.
All right?
Yeah, see if you win anything.
Okay.
Oh, you got yourself a glorious jar of Auntie's legendary sambal. Come, here you go. Please enjoy it.
Thank you, Auntie. All right.
Thank you,
Bye-bye,
thank you.
Auntie.
Bye-bye. Hello, hello. Hi. Wow, you look like a very serious marketing person. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
So, you know, Google says, right, there's some AI stuff that can help me out. So, do you know how I can maybe capture the search before it starts running?
So AI is pretty smart, Auntie, but not that smart. You have to start the search, but with Google AI mode, you can get a lot of help. Because you know how when we normally search, we search for one question, then another question, then a third question. You keep going on and on. With Google AI mode, actually you can do a long query. For example, I want to know where is Aunty M's sambal stall? What are the secret ingredients she puts into her sambal? All this very detailed stuff you can get in just one query. Huh?
Wow, that's very useful. Okay, you must be a very busy marketing boss. You know, you look like you have at least 2 or 3 clients and campaigns, right? And you have no time. So, can you tell me what's one good thing about that AI thing that I heard about? Someone told me it's AI Max.
AI Max. Yes. So Auntie, I don't just have 2 or 3 clients or campaigns. I have thousands.
Thousands, okay.
Yeah. But let me give you an example with you. Let's say tomorrow you want to launch vegan sambal. So what AI Max can help you do, right, is change the copy lines on Google search, find different visuals, tell you which kinds of different consumers are interacting and therefore how you might want to change your advertising. So it takes a lot of stuff and makes it automatic. So it takes some of the headache away.
See, wow. How about this? I'll let you spin my wheel one time.
Do you think I'll get sambal?
Hopefully, hopefully. Let's see if you get something good, huh?
Yes!
You get 1 jar of Auntie's sambal. Let me pass it to you.
Excellent.
Okay, here you go.
Thank
I
you
hope
so
you
much,
enjoy
Auntie.
it. Thank you for
I really
answering my
appreciate it.
questions. Wow, my brain is so fried. Oh, that lady! I saw her on stage just now. Wow! Even the way she walks, she looks like she's some big boss lady. Let me go and talk to her. Hi, miss. Hello, I'm Aunty M. Just now I heard you speak on stage. Wow, so clear and so confident. I almost dropped my sambal. Anyway, you talk about shopping like you invented it, no? Do you think you can talk to me and share with me some insider tips? I promise I won't ask you any hard questions.
Well, I was on my way to a meeting, but you've compliment bombed me into saying yes. You should join my sales team. I'll tell you what, I'll give you 5 minutes.
Okay, very good, very good. Come. Thank you. Okay, Auntie's style is always very fast. I want to know, why must people nowadays shop inside the YouTube video? What happened to just going out and listening to the gossip of all the marketplace aunties?
Well, you know those marketplace aunties? Well, 4 out of 5 of them, they're using YouTube to decide what to buy. But it's not just your marketplace auntie friends, it's everyone, people of all ages, like Gen Z. They're using YouTube to decide what to buy, where to shop, what to eat, what to do. And so we said, why make them go and search elsewhere? Let them shop inside the video while they're watching their favorite creators. Lipstick, sambal, phone, well, click, buy, done.
Actually, why do people trust all these YouTube creators? Don't they get tired of them just watching them all the time?
Well, you have nice hair, so I think you'll understand. YouTube creators, they're like your loyal hairdresser. You know, they have been around for years. They know what suits you. They give you really honest advice, right? Yeah, so they build stories and connections. And so over time, their followers became friends. And then those fans became friends. And so when these creators recommend something, be it a holiday deal or sambal, people really believe them. And so it's not just trust anymore, it's influence with seasoning.
Oh, but how do I make sure that my sambal shows up when people are looking for advice?
Well, Auntie, this is an easy one. First, you pick creators who really feel your sambal vibe. You send them your sambal and you make them try. If they can't handle the spice, then they're not right for your brand. If they're putting your sambal on everything, from potato chips to nasi goreng, you've found the one. Make sure you don't just pick anybody who knows how to say spicy on camera. Then you use this tool called partnership ads. It lets you take fun creator videos, with their okay permission of course, and turn them into proper ads. The best part? Then our AI will send those videos to the right people just like magic. Boom, Auntie appears.
But how do I make sure my YouTube ads are working? I don't want to just throw sambal at the sea and then call it marketing, you know?
Auntie, you sound like a real CMO now. Don't worry, we've got receipts. Independent studies and our partner at Nielsen shows it's not just us bragging. We see YouTube gives us higher returns on your ad money versus all other online video platforms. So you're not just getting views, you're getting Sambal sold.
Wow, that's very good. But who is this uncle called Nielsen? Actually, last question. How do I sign up? Please don't make me go through more steps than my Zumba class, okay?
Okay, promise, Auntie. How does 4 easy steps sound? Step 1, join YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program through Shopee Seller Center. Step 2, you pick your Sambal flavors and you set your commission. Step 3, then creators will tag your jars in their videos. Step 4, boost those videos with our partnership ads in shorts, in feeds, or wherever people are scrolling and they're hungry. And you're done. But now my turn to ask you questions.
Oh, okay, sure.
Why do you make sambal?
Because bland food makes me sad.
Why does it make you sad?
Because life is spicy and I think food should match it.
Why should food match life?
Because everything is about balance, you know, like lipstick and liner or ads and targeting.
Okay, but why sambal? Why not chili oil or hot garlic sauce?
Because, you know, those things are not me. You know, I think sambal is about culture, sass and survival. That's me.
You know what? I only got 4 whys. Do you have a 5th why for me to ask you?
I don't have a 5th why, but maybe you can ask me where to buy your sambal.
Wow, you really mean business. Not many people survive my rapid fire questioning. Well done.
Okay, no problem. Oh, actually, I have something for you. So because your questions to me were so spicy, but I still survived them, I want to see whether you can survive my sambal.
Well, thank you so much.
No problem. I shall not take up too much of your time already, okay, actually, Sapna. I think I'll make a move.
Well, something tells me I'll be seeing you somewhere soon. Good luck.
Wow, today my brain is really overloaded like a buffet. So much to take in, but I ate it all up anyway. I learned about how to show up properly across all the 4S. Search, stream, scroll and shop.
Okay, let's recap. 1. If I want to make Gen Z fall in love with my sambal, I need YouTube Shorts and let creators tell my sambal story with me. They do the viral, I do the flavor. 2. Search is now not just smart, it's psychic. With AI, I can pop up in front of my customers even before they realize they are craving sambal. 3. YouTube Shopping. You watch, you like, you buy all inside the same video. One-stop sambal shop. 4. AI and creators and platforms are the trinity of marketing, or as I like to call it, Google plus YouTube times AI equals buy more sambal. Okay, my new marketing formula is complete. Now, I just need some Gen Zs, a good outfit, and an ad budget that is smaller than my grocery bill.
Wow, my niece Mano was really not lying. Google really has the best snack options.